super light. Back to the train. Back and pumping up with these trash behind sidewalks. Gotta get on the other side. I'm on the wrong side, y'all. And it got a bike lane. Let's go. Yo, so this bike, I gotta get new handlebars because I want to get new handlebars for the bike, and I got stickers for the wheels that's coming. I'm putting stickers on the wheels, and I want to I don't know if I want to keep the frame white because you know white mess up so easy, and if it fall, it gets scratched up. So I don't know what I want to do to the frame yet. I might actually get a new frame, honestly, because I might put, even though the wheels is small, I like the wheels that's like skinny, but I might go up a little more inch other than road bike, like gravel or something like that. So that's what I'm thinking about doing to this bike. Basically, yeah. I think about doing it. I don't know yet. You know how like humans' minds change every day. So I have to see what I want to do to this bike. Too, I know a lot of you keep saying, "Oh, this is not a fifth gear bike." It is a fifth gear bike. It's a flip hub. So basically, what I'm saying is, it's single, it coasts, and it could be a fifth gear bike. So that's what I'm saying. It is a fifth gear bike. Trust me. I wouldn't be saying that. Oh, it was a bike lane. I ain't know. Because pumping out bike lanes be tricky. So, well, I just want to say that it is a fifth gear bike. If I don't want to do coast no more, I can do fifth gear. Either way, it's a fifth gear. I know what I'm talking about when I'm riding. I want to just get this bike. Going on the hill. Oh. Sometimes like when this bike be coasting, like when it ride for a long time without me pedaling and still stay at the same speed of like going, it like, how can I say it? It remind me of like an electric bike a little bit, cause it going so long without me pedaling. So like, that's how it remind me of a little bit. Remind me of an electric bike. Like right here. I hope he make a U-turn. Oh yeah, he is. Pants keep getting slipped in this. That's why I don't like riding this with pants like that. Oh, right. I hate riding on Pompano roads because it got like so many warehouses. So like the trucks bring like basically, you know, tools, nails, and it pop my wheels. So I hate like riding on something that's like, I don't know. I just hate riding on the road with Pompano, bro. Now Fort Lauderdale, Miami, West Palm, probably Delray too. Delray had good roads, and it had good sidewalks actually. I would ride, but I can't ride. Can't do it, bro.